When it comes to upgrading or replacing windows in your Cayce home, choosing the right window material can make a significant difference in both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. Cayce's climate, with its hot summers and mild winters, requires window materials that not only offer energy efficiency but also withstand the elements over time. From traditional wood to modern vinyl, here's a guide to the best window materials for homes in Cayce. Vinyl windows. The cost-effective, low-maintenance option. Vinyl windows are a top choice for many homeowners in Cayce. These windows are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and offer an excellent combination of affordability, energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance. Since vinyl windows don't require painting and resist fading, they are perfect for homeowners who want an attractive look without the hassle of frequent upkeep. Cayce experiences intense summer heat, and vinyl windows are known for their superior insulation properties. They are filled with air chambers that act as a barrier against heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Additionally, vinyl windows are highly resistant to moisture, which makes them an ideal choice for the humidity levels in the Cayce area. Wood windows. Classic appeal with customization option. If you love the classic look of wood windows, this material offers an unmatched aesthetic appeal. Wood frames are versatile, offering endless options for customization and design. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic appearance or a more modern, sleek look, wood windows can be stained or painted to match the interior and exterior of your home. While wood windows have a timeless beauty, they require more maintenance than vinyl. In Cayce, where the climate can cause wood to warp, rot, or deteriorate over time, it's essential to choose a high-quality wood and keep up with regular sealing, painting, and maintenance. However, for those willing to invest in upkeep, wood windows can add significant curb appeal to your home, increasing both its beauty and value. Wood windows also provide excellent insulation. Their natural material helps keep your home comfortable year-round, offering an additional benefit in terms of energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows. Durability and efficiency. Fiberglass windows are one of the most durable and energy-efficient window materials on the market. Known for their strength and resistance to the elements, fiberglass windows are a great option for homeowners in Cayce who want the reliability of a long-lasting product. Fiberglass frames are highly resistant to temperature changes, meaning they won't expand or contract like wood or vinyl, which can lead to gaps or drafts. In addition to their durability, fiberglass windows offer excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable throughout the year. They also come in a variety of finishes, including painted and wood grain options, so you can enjoy the look of wood without the maintenance. While fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl or wood, their longevity and performance make them an excellent investment for those looking for high-quality, energy-efficient windows that will last for years to come. Aluminum windows. Sleek, modern, and strong. Aluminum windows are a popular choice for homeowners in search of a sleek, modern look. Aluminum frames are lightweight yet strong, making them a good option for larger windows and openings. The slim profile of aluminum windows allows for larger glass panes, which can bring in more natural light and provide expansive views of the outdoors. a desirable feature for many Cayce residents. While aluminum windows are known for their strength and visual appeal, they do have some downsides. Aluminum is a poor insulator on its own, and without a thermal break, a material inserted between the interior and exterior parts of the frame. These windows can conduct heat and cold. This can lead to higher energy bills. However, newer aluminum windows are designed with improved insulation features, making them more energy efficient than older models. Composite windows. The best of both worlds. Composite windows combine the best features of wood, vinyl, and fiberglass to offer a highly durable and low-maintenance window option. These windows have an outer layer made of fiberglass or vinyl and an inner core of wood, providing both strength and insulation. The result is a window that delivers excellent energy efficiency while maintaining the aesthetic appeal of wood. For homeowners in Cayce, composite windows are an excellent choice because they offer the look of wood without the need for frequent maintenance. They are also resistant to temperature fluctuations, humidity, and rot, which makes them perfect for the local climate. Conclusion: choosing the right window material for your home in Cayce comes down to balancing aesthetics, durability, and energy efficiency. Whether you opt for the affordability of vinyl, the classic charm of wood, the strength of fiberglass, or the sleek design of aluminum, it's important to consider how each material will perform in the local climate. Additionally, composite windows offer an attractive compromise, providing the benefits of multiple materials in one. By selecting the best window material for your home, you can enhance its appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency, ensuring your home remains a comfortable haven year-round.